Hey guys, this is Triple Dragon, and today I'm doing a review of some Mulberry Farm products. So let's begin. So this is what the outside of the box looks like. Everything is sealed nicely in the ventilation for the insects to breathe. Let's take a look in the inside and see the insects I purchased. As you can see, a package is good enough to keep the insects from moving. Let's take a look at the Phoenix worms. I purchased the Phoenix worms for its being richness in calcium and it being low in fat. These are much healthier to give than a waxworm. Let's take a look in the inside and see what they look like. Let's take a look at our next product, butterworms. Butterworms are high in protein and calcium. They are very nutritious and would be awesome food to give to your reptile. As you can see, the butterworms are very colorful. They have a mix of red, orange, and yellow that will catch the attention of most of your reptiles. Just some interesting facts about the butterworms. They come from the country of Chile. The butterworms will not breed. Reason why they will not breed before they come into the States, they have to go through low levels of radiation to kill any parasites that may be in them, which makes them sterile, which prevents them to breed and from to turn into moths. Now here we have mealworms. Anyone in the reptile community knows about mealworms, so I don't have to go through too much detail about it. This is just to show you how the company packages and ships it. I only wanted to purchase a little bit of mealworms to see how they ship it. This was more of to show you guys how they come when you order it. I'm getting my reptiles from mealworms to superworms. So let's take a look at my next product. So here's the next thing I ordered, 2,000 superworms. Now, as you can see, the superworms come in a box with crumbled newspaper and food. I would have preferred it being in a bag, like how they ship the mealworms, which makes transferring to a tub or container easier and faster, but it is what it is. The whole process took me between 10 plus minutes to clean out and get all the superworms in a container. Now, just because your box looks empty doesn't mean it is. Some people might forget to do this. Always double check and open the bottom of the box like this. As you can see, if you didn't open the bottom, you probably would have missed all those superworms. So always double check. All the superworms were alive, as you can see. From now having some experience, I would say if you don't have a lot of reptiles or have a reptile that eats a lot, I wouldn't buy more than 500 superworms. I hope you guys enjoyed my review of Mulberry's Farms. Good company to order from. The link will be in the info of this video. Also, More videos to come, so stay tuned.